All right, it is Super Bowl Sunday, February 7th. Checking out some stocks here. Um, mainly they're low float stocks. Just seeing where they're going, where the potential is here, buy sell levels, what it's doing exactly, technical analysis. Let's look at Tour, 23 million float, 250 million market cap. No news in this recently. It's an online leisure travel company. Self-guided tours, travel. Um, that's basically what they do. From China, it looks like their headquarters. So this had a big rundown. Look at this rundown all the way from 2016. You can see the width and getting smaller. That's a descending, not descending, falling wedge. And then it did bottom here, about 74 cents. It bounced. 150 bounced again. See the bounce is getting higher here. Yeah, it really exploded in November. This thing took off one all the way to 450. Yeah, formed like a pyramid top and came down. This did hold pretty well, 170 and bounced up again on Friday. Good volume. You see this really took off and later in the day. So right here, 175 line is important. You can put that as a hold here, your trend line, a resistance line, support line, excuse me, support line. So this went up, and then you have 225 that broke too. So it was in a little bit of channel and broke up. Now, what's this going to do exactly? Uh, yeah, will it get back up here? I think it can. It looks like, see, it did this base, then went sideways. I think it can go up and challenge that. So if we do, I would look for eventually near 450 again. Short term, you want this to hold this two or even 225. Even like build a base here. See 175 and build another base. Then we keep going up. You can see on the lows on this, kept going. So that this stock is climbing, each month to month. It's longer term is looking very good in this. So tour. ENLV, 7 million float, 208 million market cap. They did recently rallies on encouraging Alcocetra data mid-stage COVID-19, immunotherapy for allogenic drugs, immune system rebalancing. It's had splits here. Look at this back in 2017, 2019. This went all the way up to 44. Look at that drop, though. This thing dropped like a rock. You have a line right here and right here. So look what this did. See this space here? Let me take this out. This is a little falling wedge. See this space and it tried to break through, then it came down again. But look where it broke. Right here in October. That's where the trend line is for your descending triangle. This one all the way up. 15 came back. This doesn't do volume though. 100,000. No volume on this. I didn't really notice that. So I would be skeptical of any stock with no volume. But just to point out the chart, did do this, come back. Nice rounding move all the way up to 20. And where's this going to go now? Big move down here to here. This could easily go near this like 36 mark, even 42 eventually. The trajectory of this, see this going up, and then you form the lows getting higher, then we go up. So I could see this challenging up here possibly. Yeah, this doesn't do volume now. I'm very sketchy on stocks that do volume, so I'm not definitely saying to play this or anything at all, or whatever you do, but low float, they can move pretty crazy. Recently, it's had better volume, so see this move up here. There's your 14 line, there's your 8 line. And I think we can get up here, though. The way it's moving, why not? You want your stop on this, though, to probably be about 13. You want that because that's where the EMAs are. You don't want to get too far away from that. All right, here's 521 million float, 1.24 billion market cap. This thing's been on fire. The Medica is a high risk trade and a long term investment. Investors place. It's up 330% in 1 month. Signs Truforma distribution agreement with Miller Veterinary Supply. Development stage veterinary diagnostic pharmaceutical company engages in discovery, development, commercialization of pharmaceuticals for the companion pet. Now look at this stock was all the way up near 275, came back down. Look at this motion here, like the trend line. Such a squeeze. And that's what happened. Eventually when it gets so tight, November just went up 20 cents, came all the way up to 130. And this is the big thing right here. Once you're out of this, it's like gapping. Came back and forth. Very tough to like gauge. But it's squeezed from this line to this line. So it's a descending triangle. As your 13 EMAs come up, that's what you're fighting against. And this broke up. $1, 110, 187 near 2. So this has been on fire. Look at that heavy volume down here. That's extremely heavy volume. Now, where's this going from here? Well, came all the way back and test it. So you want your support. If it does fall to 120, even 1, this could fall all the way that hard and still bounce. It might be a big move, but it doesn't necessarily mean the move's over. And on this, there's not much up here. I can see this getting back to 2 and 275 easy, the way this is going. When you see this volume building, even it started in like March, April, look at this, and really explodes here. So, I think we can get back up here. There's not much like resistance, not much volume. I would look for that test near 250, 275. And then we'll see if this back test, we'll see if this comes back because it's made a strong move and like, test this 1320. Maybe it does that for a pull back up. But overall, this chart is a beast right now. So watch this for more action to the long side on ZOM. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade. Smash the like button. Trade ideas link there. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank Instagram, Mike Frank 98. StockTwits, Mike Cayman Trades. All right, that's it. Peace.